So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can earn 100 USDT straight to your Binance, guys. As you can see, I have 86.23 USDT currently here, and I still have 13.77 USDT left to withdraw, guys. So I'm going to be showing you a series of processes that you can use to earn this money, guys. And don't forget to stick around and watch this video. Make sure that you do not skip any part because it might contain a useful information, guys. So at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you a withdrawal that we made and how you can earn more money online, guys. So before you continue, I would like you guys to go straight and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on that notification bell to stay alerted whenever we post a new video, and don't forget to go ahead and watch the videos that we do and the withdrawal that we did on faucet, guys. So as you can see, guys, we have a community that you need to join. For you to participate in our family, all you need to do is to go down the description. I'll be placing the link of our Telegram group there. We have a lot of giveaway happening right here, and we have a lot of updates that we are dropping day to day, back to back here, so make sure that you don't miss out, guys. We also have our Telegram community, which I'll be dropping the link, guys. Make sure that you participate in this group because all the informations will be released there, guys. So to continue, guys, like I said, I'm going to be showing you how I earned this 86.23 USDT, guys. So all you need to do is to open your Binance. Once you open your Binance, go straight and click on the more button, guys. So once that is done, go straight and click on gift and campaign, then go to referral, guys. So all you need to do is to click here and participate on this giveaway that you're doing right here, guys. So once that is done, all you need to do is to follow the series of processes that I'm going to mention here. So all these processes have their own gift, as you are seeing it right there, that the first gift here is 100 USD in token X6. Then the second is the 100 USD trading fee reboot voucher, and the third is the grand reward, which is a Tesla car, guys. So as you can see, Binance have been making a lot of giveaways, and make sure that you participate in one, including this 100 USD. So for you to participate in this 100 USD giveaway, all you need to do is to follow these two processes, guys. Now the first one is to refer a friend that will sign up and complete the verification, which is a must, guys. So the second is for your referred friends to complete their verification and the trading worth of 100 USD spot and convert. So for other rewards which are under this Binance giveaway, is for the 100 USD trading fee reboot voucher. Like I said, your referred friends deposit more than 50 USD within 14 days and registered. So for all these friends that you invited in phase 1, earning up to 100 USD, if any of your friends, 1, 2, 3 of them, get 100 USD into their Binance, you are going to earn an 100 USD trading fee voucher, guys. So the third is to win a grand reward, which is a Tesla car. So during the event, all your referrals invited through list mode will be ranked based on their registration time, and users ranked 100 or multiple of 100 will be selected to complete a trading value. The referrer of the user with the highest trading volume will win the grand Tesla prize, guys. So as you can see, there are the rules that this will be commencing and be ending from the third day starting from today. So this is actually ending third day from now. As you can see that the time left is 3 days, so you should make sure that you participate, as this is reading from the 23 10 12 4.00 to the 23 12 11 23.58, guys. So as you can see, I'll be dropping my referral code down this description, guys. So make sure that you participate in all these giveaway that are doing in this group, guys. So like I said at the beginning of this video, I'll be showing you how you can make more money online. So guys, check this out. So in my Telegram group, there was a video that I actually posted, which was my last video, that I was able to earn 3,000 per faucet, and I showed you guys that I will be drawing this into my Binance, guys. So the processes have been completed, and I just withdrew 3,000 pep faucet into my Binance, guys. So let's go check it out straight on Binance. As you can see, guys, all we need to do is to go to our notification, And you can see this is our pep deposit successfully, and this is the deposit that have been completed on a so date, guys. So like I said, there are a lot of things and a lot of money that we are going to withdraw from this Binance. So make sure that you participate. Before I continue, I would like you guys to go again, like I said, make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel, click on that notification bell and stay alerted whenever I post a new video.